Welcome. Here is very interesting question on equality of complex numbers, and the question is as follows: find real values of x and y if 1 plus iota into y square plus 6 plus iota is equals to 6 plus iota into x. We have to find the value of x and y from these two complex numbers. So let us see how to do it. First of all, we shall multiply the values in bracket with y square, then we get y square plus iota y square, and here is 6 plus iota, and if we multiply x with these two values, then we get 3x plus iota x. And if we take common iota from these two terms, then we have y square plus 1 iota, and here is y square plus 6, and here is 3x plus iota x. Since these two complex numbers are equal, therefore their real parts and as well as imaginary parts will be equal, and this means y square plus 6 is equals to 3x and y square plus 1 is equals to x. Now we have these two equations and we have to solve them. First of all, we shall let y square is equals to p. Then this value becomes p plus 6 equals to 3x. We let that this is the equation number 1, and here will be p plus 1 equals to x. We let that this is the equation number 2. Now we shall use substitution method, and now we shall put the value of x, that means p plus 1, in equation number 1. So we shall write here putting in equation number 1. And if we put this value in equation number 1, then we get p plus 6 equals to 3. And what is the value of x? That is p plus 1. And we solve it, then it will be 3p plus 3, and here is p plus 6. Then we get 3p minus p, 6 minus 3. This means 2p is equals to 3. This means p is equals to 3 over 2. And now we shall put this value in equation number 2 to get the value of x. Putting in equation 2. And if we put this value in equation 2, then we get x equals to 3 over 2 plus 1. This means 5 over 2. So the value of x is 5 over 2 and value of p is 3 over 2. And now we shall calculate the value of y. If p is equals to 3 over 2, then y square is also 3 over 2. This means y is equals to plus minus root 3 over root 2. Therefore, we have two combinations of solutions, and first is x equals to 5 over 2 and y is equals to positive root 3 over root 2, and the second combination is x equals to 5 over 2 and y equals to root 3 over 2. So these are the two solutions of the equation. Thank you.